Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some Cajun shrimp scampi with some rice. You guys, this recipe is delicious. So to start this recipe off, you're going to take some butter and you're going to melt it in a skillet. You're going to add in some chopped bell pepper and some chopped onion. Now if you like celery, you're going to add in some chopped celery also, but I do not like celery. Also add in your minced garlic here. I added it in a little later because I forgot. So you're going to let your vegetables saute for about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. And then we're going to add in some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some dried oregano, and some dried basil. And then we're going to stir this together. Next, we're going to add in our long grain white rice. And we're going to let this get nice and toasty. And then we're going to pour in some chicken broth. And here is where I remembered I forgot my garlic. So I'm going to add in my minced garlic here, but you do want to saute it in the beginning with the rest of your vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and cover this and you're going to let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. When your rice is nice and fluffy, it's done. Now, before you fluff your rice with the fork, you want to let your rice sit uncovered for about 10 minutes. I find that helps with the rice getting less gummy and less mushy if you just let it sit uncovered for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to set the rice aside. Now here in a bowl, I have my shrimp. You do want to use large shrimp. I didn't have large shrimp. Well, the recipe said to use large shrimp, but you see I'm using medium. So you're going to take your shrimp, your cleaned, deveined shrimp, and you're going to add some Cajun seasoning to it. And then we're going to cook our shrimp in a little bit of olive oil. You want to let them cook for about 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and take our shrimp out of that skillet and set it aside. Now for our sauce, we're going to take a little bit of olive oil in that same skillet, and then we're going to saute some minced garlic. Now once our garlic starts to get nice and toasty, we're going to add in some butter. Some dry white wine, some lemon zest, and lemon juice. And we're going to let this simmer for about a minute or so. And then we're going to add in our shrimp. And some freshly chopped parsley. And we're going to give it a good mixing. Does that not look delicious, you guys? And you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp over your rice and the sauce. This is so good. I've even made it with chicken and it's so delicious, you guys. Yum, Yum, yum.